Alright, we're here at the DoubleTree parking garage here in downtown Reading, Pennsylvania. And these are the main bank of elevators. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergies. We're going to start by riding the right car. And these are glass too, which is nice. Take out the 8, and we'll look out the window. And here are 8. Sorry it's not the best view since it's nighttime. Take it back down to the ground. And we'll get a cab view going down. Whoa. Very basic elevators for a parking garage. The only nice thing about it is these are glass. Doors are fended for security. This is your indicator, your dot indicator. ThyssenKrupp elevator. And these are your mat buttons. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 2. Ground floor. We'll take it back up to 8 and watch the numbers this time. Here are 8. That 8's upside down. Nice. There's your manpower elevator. Ring the bell. And we'll probably get a view. Alright, so here's your view out towards Reading. That's not really downtown Reading. I believe that garage there is the South Penn garage. There's the DoubleTree Hotel itself. It's very chilly out here, windy. I'm not sure what that building is right there. I believe that tall building right there is the Berks County Courthouse. And over there you can see the pagoda. Not a bad view from up here on 8. Alright, I guess we'll back down the elevator. We'll ride the right car back down the Jeep and still up here, then transfer to the other car. And we have this car to ride back down. Down the ground. We've got the window going down. Here are ground. We'll send this car up to 8. Ring the bell. And we'll watch this one close up. There goes that elevator. Now we'll call the left elevator. Sitting on the 5th floor. While we wait, this is the plaque. This garage was built in 2010, so I believe this is when the elevators were installed in 2010. And here's the left car. Well, this one's dark. Go up to 8. And we'll get out the window going up. Here are 8. Stick by the G. And we'll get a cab view of this elevator. Whoa. Boy, these elevators did not run great at all. Almost got stuck. Anyways, just like the other elevator, very basic parking garage elevator. Your map buttons. Elevator 1 capacity is 3,500 pounds, and here are a G. There's your ThyssenKrupp logo, and our friend Mr. Security. Not the greatest elevators, but at least they're glass. And those were the main elevators here at DoubleTree Parking Garage. And we have one more elevator to check out, which is right up this ramp here. Alright, so this is the other elevator here at the DoubleTree Parking Garage in Reading, Pennsylvania. We're not going to call from here. Since elevator is all about being healthy, we're going to walk down the steps to catch the elevator from the ground floor. So this is the ground floor lobby. As you can see, this is a side entrance to the DoubleTree Hotel. And with that being said, let's take a ride in this elevator. And there's ThyssenKrupp Synergy. Take up to 8. You're 8. Back down the ground. That's why the bell didn't ring. And we get your cab view. Just like the other two elevators, except this one is not glass, obviously. These are your map buttons. There's your dot indicator. ThyssenKrupp elevator. And there's our friend Mr. Security. And you're back at ground. Wow, this one actually runs better than the Scenic elevators. One at 1.8. We'll get a view from upstairs again. We are 8. Alright. There goes the elevator. Before we end, we'll get another view up here on 8. I'm not sure it's the 4th elevator or not, but we're about to find out. Let's see what's over here. But anyways, while we're up here on 8, you get another glimpse of the pagoda and some of downtown Reading. And I think up there it takes you where the Scenic elevators are. Again, it's very cold up here. Is there another 4th elevator in this little area here? Guess not. It looks like it's just a stairwell. Alright. I said we're going to end the video up here on 8, but just for the heck of it, we're going to ride the internal elevator back down the ground and end it there. Not sure what that building is right there, but the building behind it, I believe, is the Berks County Courthouse. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here's another friend. There's our friend Mr. Security, I should say. There's your emergency phone there. And I guess we'll take the elevator back down. Get a glimpse of the stairs real quick. And there's your look down. Alright, time to go back down the elevator. And the elevator is sitting up here waiting for me. Watch the button go out. And here we're back to the ground floor. Your wet floor sign, the garbage can, and your steps. And those were the elevators here at the DoubleTree parking garage in Reading, and that will be it.